Now let's have a look, Dan. What have you found?
If I can get it off.
And what have we found, mate?
Is that the wrong one?
That one looks alright, mate. There's that a bit other side. Let's have a quick look then. Well, good find with that, Dan. Even though it is a common problem, that, and I've done a lot of these, it was good that you've had a look yourself and found out why it's missing. So what's the problem there then, Dan?
Look at it.
So that will have blown at the coil pack. Look in the end of it. It'll be all corroded with that. Can't see, to be fair, with it being. Can't see. But that's your problem. Well done, mate.
Thanks.
Speak to you soon.